Three, two, one.
Welcome to another episode of Bollywood This Week. Friends, the movie which we are going to review this week is none other than Raghava Lawrence's movie Motte Shiva Kette Shiva. Well, friends, a lot has been said about this movie. This movie is quite delayed, but today, finally, after getting clearance, this movie has hit all over the world, worldwide release, fantastic release. And trust me, friends, this movie is the bap of mass entertainers. It is the bap of mass entertainers. Raghava Lawrence has given the performance of his life in this movie, friends. He has outperformed himself. If you think his movies like Kanchana and all would have worthy of all the praise and all that stuff, this movie is epic. I know it's a remake of a Telugu film. I've not seen that movie, but what I have seen today on screen, it is a perfect mass entertainer. Not even a single minute of boredom, friends. It was so entertaining and so riveting that I can safely say it is better than Singham 3. Trust me, friends, it is fabulous. I mean, the acting Raghava Lawrence has done in this movie is kick ass. Seriously, the way he enters, epic. And from shaving his hair to keeping the long haired wig on to romancing with Nikki Gilrani, it is fantastic. And the item number with Rai Lakshmi is killer kick ass. You will fall in love with Raghava Lawrence. So why am I raving Motte Shiva Kette Shiva? Let us see in the review of the film with me, Amir Ansari. Well, Motte Kette Shiva is being directed by Sai Ramani, has been produced by Mr. R.B. Chaudhary, and the film stars obviously Raghava Lawrence. There is no double one in the film, friends. Yes, he is only one in the movie. Before interval he has long hair, and after interval due to some tragedy he shaves his head off and becomes Motte Shiva. So friends, the film stars Raghava Lawrence, Nikki Gilrani, Satya Raj Katappa has done a fantastic job in the movie. He's looking fabulous, friends. Ashutosh Rana. Well, the only minus point with Tamil movies is that they take Bollywood baddies and they perform really bad. Like in Singham 3, we had Sharat Saxena doing a miserable performance, but Ashutosh Rana, the actor of his caliber, it was a treat to watch him on screen, friends. He has mouthed Tamil dialogues perfectly, perfect dubbing sing. I know it's not his voice, but the persona of Ashutosh Rana on screen is fantastic. We have Vamsi Krishna, who for once has done a very nice and decent job. Satish and Koval Sarla. Seriously speaking, Sarla and Satish are maniac. They are mental in the movie, and trust me, epic comedy by both of them. They are playing sidekicks to Raghava Lawrence as police inspectors. Thambi Ramaya has created madness on screen again as the MLA. I'll come back to it. And we have Rai Lakshmi, who does the fantastic item number. So friends, what's the story about? First, I'll tell you the story very fast and what are the plus points and why I'm raving about Motte Shiva Kette Shiva. Story of Motte Shiva Kette Shiva starts in Chennai, where Ashutosh Rana is a big minister and he's going to make an illegal shopping complex. The minister opposes, and so does a local police inspector. Ashutosh Rana makes a fantastic entry, and his dialogue delivery is enough to scare the audiences. Well, things move forward. He transfers the minister, suspends the police inspector, and kills the engineer who was involved in giving proof that this shopping complex is illegal and illegally going to be built. Satya Raj plays the commissioner of Chennai city and tells her, one day I am going to catch you. But the scene moves to a jungle somewhere in Jharkhand, where a Chennai minister has been kidnapped by a Naxal. Beautiful entry, friends, excellent. And minister's daughter tells why are you waiting for me to get raped? The police tells, boy, where are you, where is your location? He's telling, up is the sky, down is the mud, left my assistant, right my daughter. And Raghava Lawrence makes an entry fabulously. I don't know how Raghava Lawrence, you managed to look so fair on screen. Epic. I mean, if you see him in reality on TV, he's very dark, but in this show he looks so stylish, and the full marks to wig maker, who has made a fantastic wig. The wig doesn't look fake at all, and his entry is kick-ass. Fighting with the minister is fantastic. He fights all of them and tells the minister, if you don't transfer me to Chennai, I'm going to give you back to the Naxalites. He hits the minister tells okay, and he calls and transfers him to Chennai. Chennai transfer, epic scene. You know what is the fight between Satyaraj and our main hero Raghava Lawrence? Well, there is a very engrossing past which is connected between both of them, and that I'll come to later. But the welcome he gets in Chennai police station is kick-ass, friends. You have Kovai Sarla, Satish, another inspector, all saluting, and he tells, do whatever you want, take bribe. I'm not that kind of an inspector. And his first meeting with Satyaraj goes on very nicely. Well, then, the first song, the highlight of this movie is Raghava Lawrence's dance. This man dances so beautifully. I mean, he can easily be in the league of Junior NTR, Allu Arjun, Tiger Shroff, Shahid Kapoor and Hrithik Roshan and Prabhu Deva gang. Seriously, he's one of the best dancers India has, and seriously, the starting song where he performs in Ramoji Rao Film City, which has been converted into a set of a railway station, is fantastic, friends. And the way he enters, Namaste style is fantastic. Well, friends, after that he bumps into a girl, one day running, forward, and the heroine entry of Nikki Galrani takes place. He falls completely madly in love with Nikki Galrani, and we come to know that Nikki Galrani is a press reporter. So what does he have to do to meet Nikki Galrani? He keeps a press conference. That press conference, friends, where he tells, police should marry the press people, and there should be a mutual understanding between them. Stop the fight between police and the press is epic. And the girl, fat girl stands up and tells, what is the main quality do you have? Why should I marry a police? He tells, I can dance well and all that. So one press girl tells her, play the song. They press the song and Gangnam Style plays, friends. Epic, fantastic. Oppa Gangnam Style, and the fat girl starts dancing, the press reporter starts dancing, and Satish and Kovai Sarla, they also start dancing. Comedy of the film is killer, friends. Epic, full marks, writing department by Amrish Ganesh, fantastically is written the music. John Mahendran, the writing and the music by Amrish Ganesh is fantastic, in the film. So after that, the girl tells that, stop doing all these things with me. I'm not interested in marrying you. So friends, after that, he goes to propose the girl, the girl's Akka's house. The Akka tells, I want a police inspector. Are you the police inspector? He tells, yes, I am the police inspector, real police inspector. He gives him necklaces, he gives him, a TV, epic scene. Akka tells to the heroine, love Panni, fantastic. Sits on, Raghava Lawrence's lap, the heroine Nikki Galani. That scene is fantastically hilarious. Don't miss that scene, friends. After that, he takes all of them to have lunch. Raghava Lawrence in the middle, Nikki Gilani, Kovai Sarla, Satish, and full family is eating lunch. And then, friends, there is an entry of a deaf and a dumb girl. Yes, friends, the fun ends now. The deaf and dumb girl enters, and her name is Nitya. Raghava Lawrence, finds affection in that, and he makes Nitya Raki's sister. So, friends, what happens after that? He proposes the girl, Nikki Gilrani, but Nikki Gilrani loves Motte Rajendran. Friends, Motte Rajendran's best performance. Even if you go for Motte Rajendran in this movie, it is a paisa vasool. He is playing Tsunami Star, and there is a poster, on Chennai. PK, remember PK Amir Khan? This guy, Motte Rajendran, completely nude and is standing LKG. Fantastic scene, friends. You have to see him. So, girl tells that I cannot love you, Motte Shivai. I love Rajendran, the Tsunami Star. So they bring Tsunami Star and they bash him so much. The director comes of Motte Rajendran movie and tells, sir, this is a letter from the government. He tells, bail order. He says, no, keep him in jail. We don't need him in industry. Fantastic scene, friends. How he gets beaten is epic. Well, then the item number comes between Lakshmi Rai and hero Raghava Lawrence. And let me tell you, Lakshmi Rai is looking like a bar of Milky Bar in a cola cup. Seriously, she's so fair. I mean, Lakshmi Rai is fair as milk. Seriously. And I cannot wait for a Hindi movie Julie to hit screens. She is fantastic as far as item numbers go. Amdu Kumdu with Chiranjeevi is fantastic, and now in this movie is absolutely crazy. Well, friends, after that, the scene moves to the villain, back to Ashutosh Rana, where there is Thambi Ramaya, who is the minister, and there is Vamsi Krishna. One day, what happens is that Vamsi Krishna, drunk in the night, he is the minister's brother, he rapes an IT company girl. Well, friends, after that, Satyaraj takes an arrest warrant against, Ashutosh Rana's brother, but, Our hero Raghuva Lawrence is, the rough guy, corrupt fellow. He saves them somewhat. That's when Satyaraj comes to know a very dark secret that who Raghuva Lawrence is. Raghuva Lawrence is Satyaraj's own son. Very tear-jerking, before flashback story, we come to know that Satyaraj, the police inspector's small son, was obviously Raghuva Lawrence. Satyaraj used to not pay heed to his house deals, and one day the pregnant wife of Satyaraj died, and that's when, the son, our hero Raghuva Lawrence got very angry with Satyaraj, and he left the house and went, and he's come back to take revenge. That's when Satyaraj catches, Raghuva Lawrence and throws him there, and he shows him the photos of all the police inspectors in Chennai, all over India, who have given their life, friends, for the country. And that's when, our hero Raghuva Lawrence understands what is the meaning of becoming a true police inspector. Well, friends, that scene is fantastic, but there's a twist in the story, friends. Vamshi Krishna has raped not an IT girl, but that night the same deaf and blind girl, which, Raghuva Lawrence, the Rakhi brother, was raped and murdered, friends. She was raped, she was thrown alcohol on, and she was burnt alive. Excellent, excellent emotions. Raghuva Lawrence goes ballistic, goes mad, and just to condemn the death, he shaves his head off and becomes Motta Shiva, and from there the film starts. But there is only one evidence, the bypass surgery operated father of the mute girl Nitya. Well, friends, that father has been chased, and the interval point comes where Raghuva Lawrence runs like a lion and bashes them and tells Ashutosh Rana, I will catch you, I will not leave you, just wait for me. Motta time starts, and bam, interval comes in. You will think after the interval this is going to be bullshit, but friends, this is the most strongest after interval script I've ever seen in a Tamil movie or in any mass movie. That's why I'm raving it so much. After interval is epic. They try to tell that some other person has raped, not Vamshi Krishna. They go into jail, but how he refuses bail. When one after the other lawyer comes, he tells police inspectors to remove their clothes and tell we have been raped. The ministers come, they themselves throw fire on the police and tell ministers have done epic scene, friends. But when the Ashutosh Rana tells that I hate police, and he comes first time in the police station, is epic, friends, epic. You have to see that scene. It is crazy. There is more coming up. Don't go away. After that, Ashutosh Rana gives the speech that politicians are magicians. Just wait for it. I'm not going to leave you. But friends, after that, things move forward. He starts getting evidences, and one evidence is a eunuch, a 6-numbered woman who has seen the rape and tells that the minister's son has done the rape. That's when the Motta Shiva Ketta Shiva song comes in Malaysia. It is fantastically choreographed, friends. The Rolls Royce cars, the money which this guy has spent for the movie is epic. It's a high-class movie, and his dancing skill have to be raved about. Full marks to Nikki Galrani for matching equal steps with our hero Raghuva Lawrence. Story moves forward when the son Ashutosh Rana, rape victim, has been escaped, and he hides in a Muslim locality. 100 Muslim people with caps and, talwar in the hand come running to Raghuva Lawrence, and Raghuva Lawrence says, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. And a verse of the Quran follows which says that the one who has done wrong in life is wrong, as well as the person who saves, the person from doing wrong. Epic scene, all Muslim people drop their sword, and that's the brilliance of the script. Fantastically written movie. But friends, after that, it is epic. Raghuva Lawrence, Singham style, just 10 gun, full house of Ashutosh Rana in bullets, and challenges him. 2 days, I will not leave your son. But Ashutosh Rana doesn't keep quiet and tells the students of Chennai to go and create a protest on the streets of Chennai. That's when, have you seen Kung Fu Hustle? Kung Fu Hustle like action, friends. Raghuva Lawrence tells the mother of all the people who are protesting on the Chennai bridge to come and stop their son, and that is called as MRFP, Mother Rapid Action Force. All of them jumping, Singham style, woman hitting, flying in the air, epic scene. And trust me, friends, for me, Motta Shiva Ketta Shiva is the best mass entertainer I've seen in recent times. What happens in the climax, you cannot guess. It is a very emotional climax. There's an MGR tribute song. Don't go when the movie ends. There's another song in the end. What happens to Satyaraj? Does Vamsi Krishna survive? Does our hero Motek Shiva Ketta Shiva survive? Epic, epic. After that, do the hero heroine get married? For that, you have to watch the last half an hour, which I have not said in this review. Apart from that, if you have loved what I have said, please go and watch this movie. I give this movie 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. It's a must watch, friends, especially for Raghava Lawrence. This is the best, mass movie I have seen in recent times, and the songs, his choreography are mind blowing. So friends, if you like this review, please like and subscribe to my channel. Subscription is very free. You don't have to pay for it. So friends, keep watching. We'll be back with another review.